Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified of any future videos. So today is just another day at home, so I figured I would just put myself together a little bit, do a I don't know, so kind of like a get ready with me, I guess. I already did my hair, I just put it up in a ponytail. It's been like that for a while, like either a ponytail, a bun, because I have nowhere really to go. I've just been really home, and the only time I go out is if I have to go to the market. So today I went to the market and picked up a couple of things, so maybe for like a week and a half, which is good. I don't have to go back out unless I really need something, so that's good. So yeah, I'm just gonna do like a soft, I don't know, quick look, I guess. So going in with face primer, which I didn't take out, of course. I guess I'll go out with this one. It's the first one I picked out of my drawer. So this one right here is the Maybelline Master Prime, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face. So you guys, today is Sunday. You guys will probably not see this video for a couple days because I have a couple of other videos that I'm still in the middle of editing, and it's easy for me to film them, but editing is a whole different story. If you make videos, you guys know it's a little difficult. I also have my kids that I have to, attend to, and, other things in the house, cleaning, cooking, whatever, things like that. All right, so this right here is the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover. I really like this one. It's nice and lightweight. I'm just going to apply that right on my face. And I also picked up a new brush recently, which I'm going to be using today. I filmed a full coverage affordable makeup look yesterday, and I used a sponge, but you guys, no, did I use a sponge? I can't even remember. Well, anyway, I'm pretty sure I used the sponge, but I'm gonna be using this brush today. This is an It Cosmetics brush, and I really like it. It blends everything out super nicely, and I remember like my e.l.f. brush, I remember getting one of those. I think it's somewhere over here. I think this is it. No, that's a Sephora brush. All right, well, I ended up getting a e.l.f. brush, and after a while, it starts leaving like streaks on your face, and I'm just like, really? I mean, it's super affordable. I can easily just pick up another one, but I didn't want to because I already know that it does that after a couple uses. Or maybe after you wash it, I don't know. But it's never the same after. Getting ready to go back into the living room and watch Ozark. Ozark is such a good show, you guys. It came back out on Friday, and I've been watching it. I'm still not done with it because I didn't have time to like literally sit there and watch every single episode. But wow. Have you guys seen it? If you haven't seen it, you guys would probably like love it. About like the drug cartel, and it's really good. Check it out. I really enjoy that show. It's a lot of effed up stuff going on in that show. I'm going to use, did I say what I was using? I'm going in with the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover concealer in the shade M900. And I'm just using the same brush. I'm not going to be using a sponge today. I'm just going to use a brush for everything for the most part. I'm just going to blend that in. You see? I'm really impressed by this brush. I'm also going to add a little bit more of concealer in this little pimple that I have going on, and since it's a double-sided brush, I'm just going to get in here, and I'm just going to go in with this, blend it out, there you go, and it's gone. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the shade F13 to cream contour. So today is Tom's day to cook. We alternate. So today he's gonna make lasagna, which will last us to, will be good for today, and then maybe for lunch tomorrow, or maybe even just leftover dinner, which, you can't go wrong with that, right? I'm just happy I don't have to cook today. But yeah. Do you guys want to see like a video of, I don't know, like a dinner plate or something, like cooking something? I'm always cooking usually, so, or like baking. I haven't baked recently, but I am a good baker. I am actually a really good cook, and sometimes cooking is therapeutic, even though I do get tired. Sometimes I don't want to cook, because it's still having to stand up and do something, but I do enjoy cooking. If you guys want to see something like a chicken, like, I don't know, what did I make yesterday? Honey mustard chicken, grilled chicken. It was really good with some broccoli. Let me know, maybe some baked ziti, how I make it, or even lasagna, something. I don't know, something different, especially right now since we're quarantined, like, having to stay at home. Some easy meals, because at first, you guys, I did not know how to cook. But my meals, my beginning, like when me and Tom first moved in together, my go-to meals were like Goya instant yellow rice, canned beans, like just open it and just whatever, put it in on the plate, some fried pork or steak or whatever. Like, it was bad. I've definitely grown up since then, but it is crazy how much I've changed. All right, so now I'm just gonna go in with bronzer. This is the NYX Professional Highlighter and Bronzer Palette. I'm gonna go in with this one here. I don't know if they sell this in store. I don't think so, but it's a really good one. Whatever bronzer you have is good. I'm gonna use my Kenzie angled brush. Just apply that. Of course, every time I film, somebody texts me, or I don't know, I get a phone call. It's just crazy. But when I'm not doing anything, nobody calls me. I don't know. I don't understand. So yeah, gonna bronze up the face a little bit, and I'm gonna go in with my RCMA powder. Going in with this brush here. This is a e.l.f. I don't know, tulipy looking brush. Apply that right there. And boom. Apply some on the lid to set whatever's on the lid. The chin. A little bit in between here because I seem to get oily there. There you go. Now I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of a highlighter. This one is from I Heart Revolution. This is the Rose Gold Glow, and I just need a brush. Here we go. So going in with my Morphe M510. Just gonna go in with both of them and apply that. I think that's pretty decent, right? Okay, just added a lot. That's okay. I'm not going anywhere. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna go and blend down here because I feel like I brought down that powder bronzer down a little bit too low. I'm just gonna use the brush and just go over that here. All right, so now I'm gonna go in and fill in my brows. I'm gonna go in with my BH Studio Pro Ultimate Brow Palette. And I'm going to be going in with, here it is. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills number 12 brush. I'm just going to fill in these babies real quick. All right, so now that I'm done filling in my brows, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel, and I'm just gonna set them. You guys, I have been really craving Chick-fil-A. I'm literally going through withdrawal. I don't eat a lot of that crap, but Chick-fil-A is one thing that I'm just like, I will eat that. And once this is all over, I am going to Chick-fil-A. Yes, I'm going to Chick-fil-A. I need my Chick-fil-A. All right, so now I'm gonna be going in with the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. It took me a second to see what it was called. All right, so I'm gonna go in with that. Something quick and easy. I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild blending brush, and I guess I'll go in with Still Shot and Rough. Okay, so that's it. I like that. There we go. Looks good, simple. I'm gonna add a little bit of Baja, just a little bit with the same brush right here on the outer V right here. Just blend that in. Nothing super intense, just like a nice wash of the color. Ooh, almost poked myself. Well, actually, I did poke myself in the eye with the brush. Ouch. All right, so now I'm just gonna blend everything. There you go. All right, so now I'm just gonna go in maybe with Ignite, which is this one here. And this is a MAC 242. Okay, now I'm just gonna grab with the same brush a little bit of Stranded, just this one here, but right here. I'm gonna just get ready for dinner tonight. That's what I'm gonna do. Right now it's actually, what time is it? It's actually 5 o'clock. So I woke up late today. I actually stayed in bed until 12, which is really late. I've never really done that. Like, I rarely ever do that. So it was actually nice. I did wake up to, I forgot what woke me up, but I woke up and then I was like, you know what? Everybody else is still sleeping. It was like 9 o'clock. I went back to sleep and I woke up at like 12:20, something like that. So it's kind of an easy day today, and it is raining, so it wasn't like we could have went for a bike ride. So, you know, but that's okay. Hopefully it's nice tomorrow. It kind of sucks though, because it would be nice for the, you know, the weekend to be, you know, if we had, I can't even speak. It would be a lot better if we had nicer weather during the weekend, because we have more time. But during the weekday, it's like we work and it's like, want to rush because we gotta cook or we gotta do something, like, ugh, whatever. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna go with a lash. I've actually been wanting to test out more lashes, so I'm gonna look on Amazon and see what I can find. I want something that's going to look natural but full, you know, like not super thick and full, but like nice and wispy, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna look for something online, because I have a vision of what I want my lashes to look like. But some of these lashes are super duper expensive, and even though you can reuse them, sometimes like I suck at reusing my lashes, like having to take off the glue and then clean them. So I'm just like, you know what, I throw them out and I just get another pair. But you know, times are hard right now, and I should be saving my lashes, which I have been. I did clean them yesterday, so I did a good job. I cleaned them yesterday and I took the glue. So these right here is an example of one. I did go in and clean them and took off all the glue. These are the Ardell Demi Wispies, which are actually really nice, like everyday subtle lashes. So with these lashes, I'm looking for my glue. Here it is. I'm gonna get my glue and I'm just going to apply them real quick. So give me a second. All right, so now that I'm done applying my lashes, I'm gonna go back in with my palette and that same brush, this one here, and I'm just gonna go in with Still Shot and blend that on the lower lash line. Now I'm just going to go in with some mascara on the lower lashes. I'm going to go in with the NYX On The Rise Volume Mascara. Alright, so now I'm just going to add a little bit of this Rimmel eye definer on the waterline. This one is in the shade In the Nude. I've been really into this one, and I think it's become one of my favorites, so it's better than just having like a white, you know, on the waterline. I feel like this one's a lot more natural looking, you know what I mean? Now I'm just gonna go in with my lip liner for my lips, and this one right here is the NYX Matte Suede Lip Liner in the shade Sandstorm. I'm going to add a little bit of lip gloss, so I'm just going to add this one right here. This is the Morphe Frosé, these little mini ones. I actually really love the Morphe ones, the matte liquid lipsticks and then the glosses. Alright, so that is that. I'm just keeping it super simple on the lips, but I don't know, I kind of feel like I want to add something. Let me add a little bit of this. This is the, what is it? Baddest Beige from Maybelline. Okay, that's good. That's good enough. All right, so now I'm gonna just set my face. I'm gonna set it with the NYX Bare With Me Prime Set and Refresh. And that is it, you guys. Let my face dry, and that is the look. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for getting ready with me for dinner, because I guess that's what I'll call this video. Get ready with me for dinner. And yeah, hopefully, like I said, you enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.